Still, if they won't join, then we'll continue the next unit. Why should we wait unnecessarily? After discussion of execution, we will go with our next unit. Because we know we have to follow academic calendar, we know October 23rd or 24th, we have people are having first unit examination. That's why we have to finish it, the syllabus. And okay, chalo, we'll discuss sometime programs because even
Sir,
though parallel, yeah,
sir,
Srija,
that first mid exam is offline or online, sir?
yeah, till we don't know Srija, sorry,
Yes,
till we
sir.
don't have any information, we are actually college is thinking to uh, purchase one app. They are trying. If the situations are good, the college is going to open. I mean, people are thinking from next month onwards, at least we have
Yes,
to
sir.
call faculty to come to college like that. But we don't have any clear notice. That's why here the situation, the pandemic situation is maybe if it is continue, maybe it is online.
Yes, sir.
If maybe if it is solved, some things are going on, all sectors are running except engineering education.
Uh,
If it will
Still, they are saying
good,
that from November 1st, colleges are going to start now, sir.
yes, yes, Srija, every month they are telling next month first it is going to start.
Yes, sir.
We are also waiting for that. So that is a big problem because especially this education sector, the problem is it is not possible for maintaining social distance. Maybe
Yes,
faculty
sir.
and students they will maintain, but student to student it is impossible. You know that, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is a big problem actually. Yeah, that's what things are running. Yeah, that is why. Yeah, why should we unnecessarily think all these things? Whatever the things we have to do in virtual mode, once they will tell to conduct exams in online, okay, we will go ahead. Otherwise, if the colleges are going to open, we will go with the offline mode. Yeah, whatever it is. But we won't lose our academics and you won't lose your especially semesters because here 4 years degree you people must complete the degree in 4 years. That is good. Here, if unnecessarily we have to skip some years, then you are going to lose something. Yeah, that is only one agenda here we have to follow, and everything we have to do it. If it is online, also not a problem. Offline, also not a problem. So the things are going to finish as per the schedule, whatever the academic calendar they are same TC is provided. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Anything is there, don't worry, don't panic. Anything is there, I will inform
No, no,
priorly.
that not that's a
Not
issue,
only
sir.
Srija, not only
Yes,
for you,
sir.
I am telling for everyone.
Yes,
Anything is there.
actually, all have a doubt. What is it? They are saying that one supply is in October second week, and one two semester exam is in October third week, and again still we have the two one mid exam, no sir. So all these three things we need to read. So all thinking of that, sir.
Yes, Srija, actually, we know the thing is very clear. As per the last CR's meeting, I think Shreya is
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
attended, I
She
think.
have yes, sir.
The thing is, actually, earlier what happened, the people, the government people and the university people, they said, we are going to promote without any examination, only we have to promote for next class, like that they mentioned.
Yes, sir.
Later, we don't know. Things are happened only for the Supreme Court is given one judgment for final years. People who are going to complete their degree to awarding of degree, those are the finalists, maybe the B.Tech or any other degree also, third 3 years course, whatever the course, compulsory you must conduct exam. If it is online mode or offline mode, you have to conduct and submit on or before September 30. So this is the order they are given from
Okay.
Supreme Court. Yeah, now what they did is some of the universities already they are conducted through online. Some of the autonomous is not depending on university, right? Autonomous they
Yes,
will
sir.
go their accordingly their rules. Here in our college, your batch is autonomous, remaining 3 years, 5 years of the JNTU. That's why
Yes, sir.
the last week and before the week, they are conducted as per the JOT guidelines. They are conducted final year examinations. After completion of those exams successfully, then JNT started to conduct supplementary for and supplementary of this second year, third year, final year, first year. After that, again they are given schedule. Regular exams also we are going to conduct. So this is happened from JNTU. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, once JNTU started like this, then all autonomous colleges also they have started thinking to conduct exams, regular exams and compulsory exams for autonomous batches also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because always we have to inline with the universities. So that is a big task. Compulsory we have to inline.
Yes, sir. So, but
Yeah,
actually, for a student to write all the exams in the 1 month of that all subject, it is hard for them also, sir.
yeah, that is what they are reduced examinations
Yes,
pattern.
sir.
Only I think 5 questions and 2 hours only.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, they are given 8 questions. Out of 8, you can write any five. Like that, they are given for final years.
Yes, sir.
We don't know still how the. I think same thing for this also. I am thinking because the social distancing is also required. So that's why every room only 12 students they are accommodated. The seating plan. So like that, it has happened. I too attended that supplementary examinations as a newsletter. So that is what my observation actually.
Yeah, yes, sir. Oh,
Maybe
okay.
that is done successfully. Final year exams are done successfully without any error, without any problem. That's why JNT is thinking in that direction. Maybe I am thinking like that. JNT is thinking
Yes, sir.
we are conducted final year. Why can't we conduct all these things like that? They are thinking and they are
Yes.
started.
Oh,
Sure,
oh,
that's what all the JNTU exams are conducting. Then this autonomous college is also looking to conduct examinations. So that's
yes,
what
sir.
still we didn't receive any decision from our college because the timetable and everything is prepared by our college only for autonomous batch.
Yes,
Now
sir.
we have not received anything from our college. That is what I told you very clearly, everyone. Even
Yes, sir.
yesterday, today also mentioned same thing. We will inform. No problem. Don't worry. Don't panic. That is what. Please attend the classwork regularly. Whatever the course is running, attend the classwork regularly and complete the task in the same day. Except then, this is I'm telling for everyone. Attend the class regularly. Don't think I am in home. Then how can I do? No. Yeah, this is the situation. You have to overcome such type of problems. You have to do that. Yeah, attend the classwork and finish the things, whatever the things we are discussing in the classwork. At the same day, you finish it. Then you don't have much burden on you. So once if they conduct any supplementary or any regular exam, maybe you can have more time. Otherwise, you have to concentrate both in the same time at the time of examination. Then it is a big problem. That's why please, that is what I am telling you every day. Practice, learn. Anything is there, you ask. Even Saturday, Sunday, no class for correct. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Then plan accordingly. Already yesterday, I think HOD mentioned uh, definitely the exams are going to be there, but we are and he has not given any even information schedule. But he mentioned very clearly exams are going to be there. Yeah, that's why I'm
Yes, sir.
telling you plan Saturday, Sunday for that your regular examinations of one two. Sorry. So that
Okay.
is what you prepare one timetable yourself, everyone. You prepare one timetable, you plan accordingly. Then maybe you can done the things. Otherwise, we
It is
can't.
too hard to complete all, sir.
Yeah, so that it is compulsory, right?
Yes,
You
sir.
know, final years almost 70% of the people they got job, but they are doing job, but they have written exams. Actually, they told that time we are promoted. Again, they came back and they wrote their exams because they have to submit the certificate to companies.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you think that they are earning now, they are working in one company. Are you clear? In the
Yes, sir.
parallel, they are prepared their subject, they are attempted their exams. Understand the situation. That is the
Okay.
problem. We have to manage it. Okay,
Okay,
please.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, please. Yeah, even you motivate your other friends also, other section friends also. If anything is there 100%, I will, once I will get any information, immediately I will share to you. Don't worry. Okay, right.
Okay,
Now,
sir.
yeah, now, sometime still only 30 students are there. Okay, after completion of this program execution, I will take that attendance. That attendance only we will consider for today's class. Sir, if you people are doing like this, it is not a good thing for me. Uh, okay, right. Stack implementation using array. You know, already I told you, sir, if you observe your syllabus, sir, 60% of the laboratory experiments from first unit only. Here, the first experiment is linked list implementation, means single linked list implementation. Second is circular linked list. Third is double linked list. Fourth is 4A, 4B, means stack implementation using array, stack implementation using single linked list. Fifth A is queue implementation using array. Fifth B is queue implementation using linked list. Here, total, you people are having 9 experiments in your laboratory syllabus. Here, out of 9, 4 experiments are belongs to your first unit only. And that's why if you concentrate more on first unit, you can understand everything, and even laboratory also we can finish it. Right. Here, coming to stack implementation using array, you know, here when you are going to implement a stack using array, here array means static structure. That's why you have to define the size before using of your stack. That's why stack of max, stack of 10. Now, the stack, how much elements it is going to accept means what is the size of the stack now? Tell me.
10.
10. It accepts only maximum, at most 10 elements. So now you know push, pop, and display methods, and you know this menu bar also. You know menu bar means here if I press enter, here I have to push. Press 2, pop, press 3, display, press 4, exit. Like that, we know this menu bar already we did. Okay, no need to discuss much here. Now coming to the push. You know stack always we are going to perform two operations, push and pop. So both operations we can perform from one end, which is called as top. So that's why here when we are pushing here to one particular element into the stack, here which condition we have to check? The stack is full or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If the stack is full, we cannot insert because stack is already full. That is called stack overflow condition. Here, if it is overflow, we cannot push the element because here we are using array to implement the stack. Here array is having fixed size. That's why it is a static stack. Already we discussed all these things. Here, otherwise means else the stack is not full. Means stack is having some space. Then you can increment your top plus means we have to increment top equal top plus one means we increment plus top. Then we have to insert in that particular location. Now coming to the pop, here when we cannot delete the element from the stack, when stack is empty. The stack is empty means here your top is pointing to -1. So that's what if the stack is empty, here even though if we are going to try to delete element which is called as which error, if the stack is empty, even though we have to pop. What is the error?
Underflow. Stack
Underflow error will
underflow.
come. Yes, we cannot delete. No, no, no. My stack is having some elements. Means top never points to -1. Then it moves to else part. Here, then we are going to write top equal to top -1. So it come down. So display means you know you have to display the element from top to bottom. Means the top always only one end it is there. That's why here don't traverse with the top. Only one case we cannot display the element. That is you know very well. The stack is empty. That is top equal -1. Otherwise we have to display the elements, but don't traverse with the top pointer. Already we know we have to use one temporary variable I. Then we have to traverse from top to bottom. Here using top for loop I equal to top I is greater than or equal to 0 means here once it is less than or 0 then it moves to the -1 means it is stack is empty. Here, like that, we have to print, iterate many number of elements are there, that many number of elements are going to print. Yeah, this is very simple program and easy program and important also, uh, in data structure, stacks, queues are very, very important. In future also, we can use in future advanced subjects also, we can use these programs. Now, just I am executing. Now, it is showing a menu bar, enter your choice. Just I want to display how many elements are there. That's why I enter 3. Now stack is empty, right? It is going to display stack is empty. Even though I am going to pop, now say stack is empty, how it is going to pop? Again, it will show stack underflow, stack is empty. Now only we have two options, push or exit, but I have to push, so enter. Now we have to enter any element. Means it is going to push else part now. Here, now I am entering. I entered 23. Now I have to check, means display of the stack. Yes. Again, I wanted to push. Here, push 34. Now I wanted to display. Now listen. Here, 23 and 34. Now which one is the top now? Which is the top? The element which is were inserted last, that is the top. Which one is the top now?
34.
34 is the top. Now when I am going to apply pop, which element is going to pop it?
34.
Yes, because 34 is the top. Just we have to check. Right now it is popped. 34 is popped. Just we have to display the elements. Right, so 23. Now after the 23 only top. Now again I wanted to pop. Now what happened? 23 is popped. I want to display the stack. Now stack is empty. Yeah, this is the way you can run your program and test your program. And this is the stack procedure. Stack is going to work like this. Here it is only accept maximum 10 elements because I have given the size is max. Here another program is stack implementation using linked list. The linked list program when we are going to use for implementation of the stack, the node is divided into two parts. One part is for storing the data, another part is for storing the next following node which you want to connect address. Right here, initially, the stack is empty. That's why top equals null. We have to declare, and same procedure. This menu bar, same thing. When you want to push any element, we don't need to check stack is full because here we are using dynamic implementation of the stack. It means we have to create a memory in a dynamic manner. So that's why the stack never full. That is what we don't need to check the stack is full, but only we have to check the stack is empty. If the stack is empty, then we have to do only the thing is we have to insert a new node. That new node is going to convert as a top of the stack. Here, that is the meaning. Here we are going to read the new node. You know how to read all these things. Now we are checking if stack is empty. How to check top equal to null. If top equal to null, your stack is empty. If your stack is empty, you have to do that your new node as a top node. That's why here we are created memory for that, and top next equal null, top data equal element. Now top is nothing but a new node. Otherwise, if the stack is not empty, means it is having some elements. This top never points to null. Then we can directly connect the top next equal to temp next. What is the temp? Temp is what? New node, right? That new node next equal to top. The temp data you are inserting to temp data, and top is now temp. So like that you can push it and comes to the pop. When you want to pop, here you have to check the stack is empty or not. If the stack is empty, we cannot pop any element. Stack is underflow. Already I told you very clearly. This underflow condition is common for all implementations. Please. Now, else the stack having some element, then always you have to pop the top of the element. So that's why you have to take one temporary variable. After moving the top, you have to delete the temporary variable because the top we have to identify with variable. That's what top one equal to top. So now top is moving to its down because after moving that, the top is the down node. That is what top equal top next. Then top one next equal null we have to assign before deleting the element. We have to remove the connections and free of top one. The display method. You cannot display the stack is empty. Here we have to check top equal to null. Once the top equal to null, the stack is empty. Here, if the stack contains elements, then we have to traverse from top to bottom. Bottom means the node which is pointing to null, means you have to take one temporary variable. Already we know. Don't traverse the top pointer. Okay, when you have to traverse, you have to use one temporary variable. That's what top one equal to top. Then we have to traverse until top one is not equal to null. So anyway, the last bottom node of the stack, next pointer must be null. That's why we are writing top one is not equal to null. The top one equal to top one data you have to print. Then top one equal top one next. Like that, it is moving entire stack. Now it is at the time of moving, it is going to print to the top one data also. So this is what we are going to traverse. The same here both will show same results, but the difference is here there is no overflow error. Here in this case there is no overflow error. And one more thing also I can tell, it is more faster than the stack implementation. Because here now if you are going to observe stack implementation using single linked list, memory is not allotted here. But go to the stack implementation array, here, when you are going to compile, if the time the memory is allotted, means how much memory we are allotted? 10. The 10 into 4 bytes. Here, 40 bytes of memory is allotted when you are going to compile. But here now the no memory is allotted here because here it is a dynamic. When you want, it is going to allot. When you are going to insert, no memory is allotted. Here, this is the big difference if you are going to observe when we are using more number of elements. But these small programs, we cannot get any difference. But I will show you here this compilation time it is showing. Here when you are using this dev C++, here it will show the output size as well as compilation time also. You try to understand exactly what I am telling. Please, normal compiler it won't show, but this compiler will show like that. Now same thing I have to display. Now stack is empty. Now I want to pop. Stack is empty. Now I want to push. Then I am pushing. The top is 23 now. Again I want to push. Now, what is the top now? Tell me. What is the top now?
34.
Yeah, the top is 34. Now, once I want to pop, you know very well already we know. Again, I am showing just information. 34 is popped. Again, I want to display. Yes, 23 is there. Again, I want to pop. Even though that element are also deleted, if I display the element, the stack is empty. Here, this is the way we are going to execute your programs. It's a small code. It is not a big code. If you are understood implementations, then the code is very simple. Now, understood everyone stack implementation using array and using linked list? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, queue using array. Here, you know, again, the array, when array will comes, you have to define the array before using that particular array. That's why the queue of max. That means the max is already declared, means this queue accepts at most 6 elements only. Now, you know, when you comes to the queue data structure, queue is having two ends. One end is for deletion, another end is for insertion. The insertion end is called as array. The deletion end is called as front. Initially, the queue is empty, that's why front and rear is pointing to -1 because we are implemented using array in this case, that's why it is a -1. Now, you know, this main menu, I cannot tell again because this main menu is, you know, very well. Same thing we have to use instead of stack, we have to use here queue. Everything is same. Here now inserting of the element. Here when we cannot insert the element. Here only the thing is, you know, the queue is full, we cannot insert the element. Here when the queue is full, when the rear is pointing to max -1, means the rear is pointing to last element. Here in array, what is the last element? Is the maximum -1, means the n -1, means the elements are n elements are there in the queue. Then what we can tell elements, the indexing of array is 0 to n -1. Like that, a max elements are there in the queue. So the elements are indexing are 0 to max -1. That's what if rear equal to max -1. The queue is full. If the queue is full, we cannot insert. Then it moves to else mode. Else mode means because if the queue is empty, front is pointing to minus, even though the rear also pointing to minus 1. So that is what here if front equal to minus 1, because when we want to insert, we have to insert element from rear. But we have to check from rear only, we can increase the rear, then we can do it. But the problem is sometimes Q is empty, front is pointing to minus 1 and rear also pointing to minus 1. So if you forget that front equal to 0, if you are not assigning, and what happened directly, the rear is going to increment, that front always again pointing to minus 1 only. Now it is error. One element is inserted compulsory, the front is pointing to that element, rear also pointing to that element. That is very, very important case. If you are going to forget this single line, your entire your queue is going to miss the rules. So that's what when front equal minus 1, you can feel rear equal to also minus 1. So that's why when it is empty, once you are going to insert any element, now front pointing to 0 and rear also pointing to 0. That's why directly I will write front equal to 0 in this case. Then following the rear is incremented stack of plus rear equal to elements. If front is not minus 1, means the queue is having some element, front is pointing to something, maybe the 0, maybe the 2, maybe the 3, maybe the 4. It is immaterial. Then it moves to the else part. Now just only have to increment only rear and you have to insert new element into that particular location. So this is the idea to reducing of the code, simple code. Okay, if you are going to refer different books, you can have a very big number of lines. But I minimized the code and you can use and you can understand very easily. Please try to go with line by line. Anything is there, you can ask. Now coming to deletion means deleting the element. Always we are going to delete the element from front only. Once we are going to delete any element from the queue, now we have to verify the queue is empty or not. If it is empty, we cannot delete any element. That's what you have to check. How to check the queue is empty? The front equal to minus 1. If it is that, we cannot delete any element. Then the queue is having some element is moved to the else part. Now the simple condition is we are going to delete element to incrementing of the front plus front. Here we are doing, but once it is deleting all the elements, only one element is there in the queue. Front and rear both are pointing to one element only. Even though it is going to delete, what happened? Front is overcome to the rear. Means front is moving towards rear. So that's what. This is not possible. Always front is front, rear is there. Rear is back side, front is front side. But only one element is there in the front. Using this case, what happened? Front is overcoming to rear also. So that's what we have to check. Front is greater than rear always. If it is not like that, if it is not like that, compulsory. This is a true condition. Always front is greater than rear. If it is true, always front is less than rear. But once the front is greater than rear, because your queue contains only one element, even though we are deleting that element, compulsory it moves to if the condition is true. What is that? Front is greater than rear. If it is like that, then the queue is empty. Means we are deleting that even one element also we are deleting. So directly we have to write front equal to minus 1 and rear equal to minus 1. Yeah, this is the thing we discussed in the previous classes very clearly. Now coming to the display. Here display means same procedure. We are to start from front to rear because in the queue the elements are going to start from front to rear only because it is a linear data structure. From front to rear. Here only one case we cannot delete, the queue is empty. So that's what we have to check front equal to minus 1. If it is like that, the queue is empty. Otherwise, the queue is having some elements. Then we have to take one temporary variable, assign front to the temporary variable, and traverse until that I is this front is means front method I is reach to the rear. So until that we have to traverse, and for every traverse we have to print the particular data. So this is what exactly we are going to print the all the elements. So now just I am executing the program. Now now I want to display the elements. Yeah, queue is empty. That's why it is going to show queue is empty because no element is there. Now I want to delete element. Again, it will show queue is empty. Now I want to insert element. Then 23 I inserted. Now I want to display. Yes, one element is there. Again, I want to insert element. Now I am going to display. Now the front is what now? Tell me, what is the front? What is the rear here?
23 is front, sir.
Hmm. What is the rear?
34.
34.
Uh, Now again I want to insert 45. Now tell me what is the rear now after inserting 45?
45.
Yes,
45.
45. Very good. Now if I want to delete, then which element is going to delete?
23.
Because that is the first.
23.
Yes, yes. Now check this. Now 23 is deleted. Like that again I want to delete. Here the 34 is going to delete. Now again I want to delete. Now the element which is there in this array, it is going to delete. In this queue, it is going to delete. Here like that, we can perform all these operations using this particular queue. Now comes to queue implementation using single line table. Same story. Here, there we have to define how much memory we have defined here before using 6. At the time of compilation, here the 6 into 4, 24, right? 24 bytes of memory is already allotted. But here no memory is allotted. When you are going to compile, no memory is allotted. When you are executing, now operating system is going to allot. Here that is the difference already I told you. One more difference also I told you. Here there is no maximum size. We can insert many number of elements. Now here single linked list we have used here. That's why here node is divided into two parts. You know, one part is for storing the data, another part is for storing the address of next node. Here initially the queue is empty. So that's why front and rear points to null. Yeah, same this menu, you know how to write, copy paste, nothing is there. Now I want to insert element. When you want to insert element, you know, you have to create a structure and allot the memory and read the data and next pointer is null for your new node. Here after that, when you want to insert, then here no need to check if the queue is full or not. Already I told you why. So now here we have to check the queue is empty or not. If the queue is empty, your the new node is a front as well as rear. That's why front equal rear equal new node. Yes or no? Yes or no? If queue is empty, the new node is a front as well as rear. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That's why front equal rear equal new node. Else means the queue is not empty. If the queue is not empty means front is not pointing to null, then automatically the queue is not empty. If the queue is not empty, you have to insert your new node through the rear only. That's why you have to concentrate rear only, not for the front. That's why rear next equal to new node, rear equal to new node. Very simple code. Correct. Now comes to the deletion. So when you want to delete an element from the queue, now we have to check the queue is empty or not. If the queue is empty, we cannot delete any element. Otherwise, you can delete the element. Here, from where we have to delete? We have to delete from front only. Here now, when we are going to delete the element from the front, here compulsory you have to think about the front. No need to think about the rear. So that's why here, once you have to delete the front, front is moving to its next. So before moving, you have to take one temporary variable because after moving, you cannot find that node. That's what we have to take one temporary pointer variable. Here, it is assigning with the front. Now, temp and front is same. Next, we have to move the front to its front next. Now, that temporary node, we have to delete it. For that, you can delete free of temp. Here, it will be done. The relation will be done. If whatever the case, it will be work. Now coming to the display. Here we have to display the elements in a queue. Here you know always we are going to display the elements from front to rear. Since you have to traverse from front to rear. So directly you don't move front, you have to use one temporary variable. So that is what here when we cannot display the element. When the queue is empty, you cannot display empty. You know front equal to equal to null, the queue is empty. Otherwise, here we have to take one temporary variable assigned with the front. Already told you. Here you have to stop your traversing while temp next is not equal to null. Here until you have to print the data as well as temp equal temp next you have to move traverse. Here, once we are in the last node, then we are going to stop your iteration. Then out of the loop, then it is going to print last node data also, temp data. Yeah, this is the way our queue implementation using single linked list will work. I will show you the execution. Right. Here I want to display the elements. Now queue is empty. I want to delete the elements. Yes, here also the queue is empty. Now I wanted to insert element. Yeah. So now when I am inserting element 23, can you tell when I am going to display what happened? The 23 is going to have front as well as rear in the queue. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes
Yes,
or
sir.
yeah. Again I wanted to insert 34. Where it is going to insert? Before 23 or after 23? When I am going to insert 34?
After 23.
Because it always insert through the rear only. Uh, yes. Again, I want to insert one more element. Now, like this, it is going to insert. When I am going to delete, which element is going to delete? 34 or
23.
23? Because it is going to delete from front only. Just check it. Yes, it is deleted. Again, if you want to delete, again it is going to show what file. Again, you want to delete, then the queue is empty. Yeah, this is the way we can write program and compile it and understand the execution. Are you clear? Everyone is clear for these programs? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Please try to execute all these programs and still 26 only. Why? Saya, do you have any information? Why today 26 only?
No, sir, I don't know about that.
Sure, everyone is logged in, maybe they entered using my link only, right? Same link, right? Here I posted the link in the group also, right?
Yes, sir.
Ah. Any problem with my subject? Any problem you people are facing? Really, I am asking. Again, I am confusing. Do you have any problem with my subject? Any, any reason? Tell me. I'm seriously. I'm asking. Rahul Rao, tell me.
No, sir. Everything is fine,
Why?
sir.
Why today very less count? Actually, my class strength is always above 55, above 55, 56 every day. But this is not good thing. Even if you not 50% also there. Okay, I will take explanation. People who are absent today compulsory in the next class. Please inform Shreya or Seyars, Manasa, or someone. Please inform remaining students compulsory while they are going to attend in the next class. Before on or before the class, they must give some explanation. Then only I can accept. Otherwise, it is not good idea. Okay, no problem. We'll continue. Shall we continue next unit? Shall we continue? Shall I start next unit?
We are still in dilemma, sir.
Yeah, this introduction is very important for next unit. What should I do? Tell me, unnecessarily wasting of your time or my time also. Understand? Correct? Is it right or wrong? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, everyone, we are human being, I can understand even your problems also. But the thing is, we don't have that much time. In college, we have every day 6 hours. But in offline, online, how many hours you people are having? Only 4 hours. And that too Saturday holiday. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Means weekly 20 hours only. We have to finish the syllabus within the given prescribed time. Even though we are extending our things, we are planning and when we are going to conduct one class, before 1 hour we have to start our things, and after 1 hour we have to submit all the data. Here we have more work actually comparatively offline. Sir, offline is very easy for me, especially myself. I am telling it is very easy, very easy. I can come and I can teach, and I don't want to ask. I can view all the faces. I can understand how many people really following. I can verify all the notebooks and so many things, so many activities I can do. But here, this is the bad thing. This is a pandemic situation. You must understand. You can understand the reality. Then please do that. Unnecessarily, who will come and verify your books in your home? No one. Please, that is your responsibility. Completely your responsibility. Please, even school kids. My son also is doing his job regularly every day. Once the classwork is done, he is completing his things and is submitting everything. Online exams, it is going on. He is upper second class student. Yeah, please motivate yourself. Understand the reality. Yeah, now this is the situation. We have to do the things. Then that is only the thing we have. Unnecessarily, don't waste your time. And I will tell you, every minute and every second is very important for every human being. But plan time is very important. After completion of the degree, we cannot get this time again. Please. Some people will feel, aha, if I am in first year, I can do more better things. People will feel like that. Sure, now I am in first year, I will work, see more. But now you are in second year, you do it. Sure, don't think past. Sure, please think current and future. This is the way you can work. Please don't waste your time. Here we are telling only for your future. Please understand. Right. Even though, one thing I can tell you, I don't need to bother about. Simple, I can tell my lecture and I will stop, I will close. So no one will ask. But that is not my intention. That is not faculty's intention. Please, everyone must grow, everyone must get something. Then only this course is successful. Right. Now come to the point. Once we can check with syllabus also, what things we did and first unit, right? Now just I'm going to read your first unit. Anything is there, you tell me. Introduction to data structures, abstract data types, linear list, single linked list implementation, insertion, deletion and searching operations on linear list, stack operations, array and linked representations of stacks, stack implementations, queue operations, array and linked representations. Done? Everything is done, right?
Yes, sir.
Only here, if you are going to observe here, circular linked list is there, not there, and double linked list is not there. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But sometimes they are asking, and second case is in your laboratory, those things are there. So that's why I completed in same area, because you cannot have any confusion. Parallelly, you can read and you can do that, then you can understand. You come to your data structures laboratory. We have 9 experiments. Already we finished 5 experiments from first unit. I will tell you. First one is single linked list implementation. Second one is double linked list implementation. Third one is circular linked list implementation. Fourth one, stack implementation. Pointer is nothing but, don't think pointer is nothing but is a linked list, please. Okay, don't feel pointer means some different thing. No. Using pointers means linked list. Now queue implementation using arrays and linked list. Now 5 experiments are done. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
60% of the experiments are done. Here, how many are there remaining? 4 only, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I will tell you only, actually only 10% only there. Only there. I will tell you. Do you have sorting mechanism in your first year?
Yes, sir.
If you know that, then sixth experiment is that. I think you have linear search and binary search in your first year, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, seventh experiment also you know. Now how many are pending?
2.
Only 2 pending. Okay, that is also, these 2 are related to non-linear data structures. Here we have data structure is categorized in 2 parts, right? Preemptive data structure, non-preemptive data structure. Preemptive data structures are nothing but predefined data structures, means int, char, float, whatever it is. Non-preemptive is nothing but user-defined data structure. Once come to user-defined data structure means we are discussing same user-defined data structure. User-defined data structure is classified again 2 parts. What is that? Linear data structure and non-linear data structure. Now, linked list, queue, stack are all linear data structures. Now, this tree and graphs are non-linear data structures. Understand? These 2 are pending, correct? Correct. I will tell you, don't worry, sir. 67th also we know. Yes, I will explain each and every instruction, don't worry. 6th and 7 also I will tell you. Just I am giving some idea what syllabus it is and how it is there and what should we do. That is what I am telling. Now come to your theory syllabus. Now you know the first unit completely what is this? Linear data structures. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here now, just this second unit, stop the second unit, come to the third unit and fourth unit. These non-linear data structures. This is trees and this is graphs. Are you clear? First unit is completely linear data structure. Third and fourth is related to non-linear data structure. Non-linear means you cannot follow linear order. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Now comes to the second unit. The second unit is not related to linear and non-linear. This is a mechanism to search the element more quickly. Here I will tell you the introduction today, don't worry. Here more quickly how to use mechanism to find the elements more quickly in linear and non-linear. This is the second unit mechanism. Now coming to the fifth unit, it is a pattern matching and trace. This is the advanced data structure. We have to find the patterns. Your pattern matching one subject also there in your final year, and it is very important. It is advanced structure. Some pattern matching techniques are there. We will discuss. Okay. Here now coming to the second unit. The second unit is categorized into 2 parts. One is dictionaries. Another one is the hash table representation. Clear this? Dictionaries and hash table representation. Now, understand your complete syllabus now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From the second unit, you don't have any experiment. From the second unit, you don't have any experiment in the laboratory. From this third unit, you have the experiment for binary search tree. This is 8th experiment. From this fourth unit, you people have 9th experiments on graph. From this sorting techniques, you people are having 6th and 7th experiments from this sorting technique. So these are the experiments I am related. Now this fourth unit and second unit, it is not linked to your laboratory syllabus. It is completely theory. There is no experiment from your laboratory. Second and fifth. Now today we are going to start the second unit, that is dictionaries. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now I will ask some questions. Then based on that we can understand the dictionary. At least introduction. Why should we wait for next class? At least we have to start something. Then people who are going to join the next class, they have to think compulsory. These people will think maybe majority we have not joined the class, or how the class is going to run. Maybe they are thinking they must give their explanation compulsory. I will ask. Otherwise, it is not a good idea. Right. Now, dictionaries. This is very important unit actually. People, they don't know. Why it is important, you can understand based on my questions. So now, do you know your dictionary, word dictionary, English dictionary?
Yes, sir.
Now, tell me, when I wanted to refer one meaning in your English dictionary, then how we are going to search that word in that dictionary?
Alphabetical manner.
Means some elaboration. Just elaborate your answer. Yeah, that is right answer, but everyone is understood that alphabetical order means.
Yes, sir.
If you understood, okay, good. I will ask one more question. When you visit any temple or any religious place, whatever it is, here before entering that temple or that religious place, that public place, here you are going to remove your shoe. Correct?
Yes.
Sir.
So there one person is going to take care about your shoes or person or someone. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
They are going to prepare, they are having some almara or some stand. Here, after taking your shoe, they kept some particular location. After that, they will provide one particular receipt or something. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here, what it is? Here, my questions are very common, generalized questions I am asking. Here, based on these questions, you can understand what is really the dictionary. Here, the real time things they have taken, they are constructed the technical dictionary. It is very, very important everywhere we are using. That is what I am asking. Tell me.
They are allocating some place for one particular person for a particular time.
Yeah. So they are given some token or some slip or maybe something. Okay, some symbol. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Here, so I will ask one more question. When you are going to visit any hospital, especially corporate hospital, here there is a wallet parking is available. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you give your car, then what happened? They will give some key or something, some number or something. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sure, once you come back, maybe from temple or maybe this hospital or maybe etc. etc. Even though when you are going to visit, I will tell you, when you are going to visit water park, everyone know water parks.
Yes,
This
sir.
water park means Wonderla, etc. etc. is there, right? So many are there in Hyderabad. Do you know that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When you visit that, here compulsory you must be kept your belongings, maybe the bag, or you have to wear that dress code and everything. You have to store in one particular locker. They will provide one locker to you, compulsory. Correct?
Yes, sir.
For that they will give one key, right?
Yes, sir.
For every locker they will give same key, or the key is having some number or some symbol.
It is different, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, different. The same way in car parking or maybe the this temple stand, and if you observe everywhere, here they are giving some unique symbols. Yes or no? In the track, the unique numbers, or in these lockers, the unique keys. In that hospital, the unique slots. Even the hotels also, the when we are going to park something, compulsory they will give. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. Now, Now stop this topic. Again, I will ask. That in a single linked list, we have 1,000 elements. Now I wanted to find A. The node which contains data part is A. Here that is there in 999 position. Now if I wanted to find from where I have to start?
From starting only.
Start. How many elements I have to traverse and compare?
998.
999 elements we have to uh, traverse and we have to compare. Not only single linked list, even double linked list, even circular linked list, even stack, even queue also. Because all these are linear data structures. Correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Here I will ask same thing again. I want to find C, but the C is not there in the single linked list. It contains 1,000 elements. Then how to know the element is not there? How to know the element is not there? You have to traverse entire 1,000 elements and compare 1,000 elements. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So then only you can tell the element is not available in the single linked list, double linked list, or circular linked list, or stack or queue. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Sure, we are wasting the time for comparing all the elements. So this is the big problem when we are going to search one particular element in the large volumes of data. Nowadays, if you are going to observe, the data is very huge. For example, if you go to the Aadhaar, here almost every Indian is having Aadhaar. But when you are going to connect through the Aadhaar, when you are going to give your biometric within fraction of seconds, it is going to identify. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
But if it is using linear data structure, 130, one, that many Indians, how many number of comparisons are required? 130 crores it is going to require to compare. Is it possible to give the result in a single day? No. Yes
No.
or no?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
that's why this mechanism is whatever the linear data structure we used. This mechanism is good, but it is not good for all the cases. It is good for storing the data. It is not good for managing the data. Understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sure. For that, the initial structure is uh, dictionaries they are implemented. Here, based on the motivation for whatever the examples I told you, here when you are going to keep your material or keep your belongings to in one locker in your water park, one locker they are given one key. Here means here in that water park that area also we have so many lockers, not only single locker, right? 1,000 lockers are available. Yes or no? Yes
Yes,
or
sir.
no? Here all are in a sequential fashion. They arranged. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But how you are identifying that is your locker only? You are not searching and comparing each and every locker. Correct? You are not opening the locker. You are not checking every locker. Directly you are moving and you are opening your locker with your key because you have the key for that particular locker because you know the key number. Then directly you are moving to your locker and you are opening that locker. Then you are taking your items, whatever the things are there. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
How many comparisons are happening here? How many? How many comparisons? Only one comparison. What is that? Your key and your locker directly. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your dictionary also we are doing same. When you are going to find one word, here the key. Now you are telling alphabetic order, that is a key. Here A letter words. There next letter is what? Right. So this is the key we are finding very quickly. Yes or no? With
Yes,
one
sir.
comparison. Yes or no? I will finish it. Please
Yes, sir.
respond. Yeah. Here now dictionary. Now all these observation, the dictionary is nothing but dictionary is a combination of key and data. Whatever linear data structure, if you are observed, it is a collection of data, correct? We are arranging whatever the requirement we have, maybe in a queue order or stack order or linked list, double linked list. The data we are arranged. Now, along with data, we need key also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, dictionary is nothing but a collection of pairs. Every pair contains key and data. The key must be a unique. The data may be not a unique. Same data we can use, but the key is unique. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Same shoes are there multiple people, but when we are going to remove your shoe in front of temple, that guy is going to place in particular lag. They will give unique key. They won't give same key, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Once come back, if you show that key directly, they will give your shoe only. Yes or no? Because they mapped through the key only. Your data they mapped with key only. Understand? You won't confuse. Okay, you won't confuse with your data directly based on your key. Okay, this is your shoe. They will give. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Searching is very fast. He won't ask you which shoes you are. No, don't, no, they won't ask. Directly they will give. So that is what exactly the mechanism. The dictionary is nothing but a, understand everyone, dictionary is nothing but a collection of pairs. The pair is nothing but data, key and data. Your key is a unique. Key is anything. Maybe the integer, maybe the float, maybe the string, maybe the char, anything, but that must be the unique. The data means you have to store the whatever the data you want to store. Are you clear now?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
clear? Yeah, this is the dictionary definition. We will discuss remaining things in the next class. Are you fine with dictionaries now? At least definition.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.